Traveling with your dog shouldn't be a stressful ordeal. We've got you covered with tips and tricks to make your next vacation with your furry friend a breeze. From choosing the right destination to finding pet-friendly accommodations and activities, we'll help you plan the perfect getaway for both you and your four-legged companion. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure as we explore the ultimate guide to dog-friendly vacations, choosing the perfect destination. When it comes to planning a dog-friendly vacation, choosing the right destination is key. Consider the size and energy level of your dog when selecting activities and attractions. Research pet policies and regulations in your desired location to ensure a hassle-free trip. Here are some fantastic options for your next dog-friendly vacation. The Outer Banks, North Carolina, offers miles of pet-friendly beaches where your dog can roam and play. Explore the historic lighthouses, charming coastal towns, and enjoy the laid-back atmosphere. Just remember, keep your furry friend on a leash when visiting popular spots like the Wright Brothers National Memorial. San Diego, California, boasts numerous dog parks, hiking trails, and beaches that welcome four-legged visitors. Visit the world-famous San Diego Zoo, which even has a pet-friendly entrance. Take a stroll through Balboa Park or relax at one of the city's many dog-friendly patios. Austin, Texas. Austin's vibrant atmosphere and abundance of outdoor activities make it a great destination for dogs and their owners. Hike or bike the scenic trails at Zilker Park, swim at the Barton Creek Greenbelt, or visit the unique shops and restaurants in the South Congress area. Don't forget to check out the city's many dog-friendly breweries and patios. Denver, Colorado. Denver offers a blend of urban adventures and natural beauty. Explore the trendy shops and eateries in the Lohay neighborhood, or take a scenic drive through the Rocky Mountains. With plenty of hiking trails and pet-friendly accommodations, Denver is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and their canine companions. Finding pet-friendly accommodations. When traveling with your dog, it's essential to find pet-friendly accommodations that cater to your furry friend's needs. Look for hotels, vacation rentals, or campgrounds that welcome pets and offer amenities such as dog beds, food and water bowls, and nearby walking areas. Websites and apps like BringFeedo, Expedia, and Airbnb can help you find the perfect place to stay. Be sure to read reviews and inquire about any pet fees or restrictions before booking. By doing a little research, you can ensure a comfortable and enjoyable stay for both you and your dog on your next dog-friendly vacation. Packing essentials for your pup's adventure. Packing for your dog's adventure is crucial to ensure their comfort and safety along the way. Here are some must-have items to pack for your furry friend. Food and water bowls. Pack a collapsible food and water bowl to make mealtime convenient and hassle-free. Leash and collar. Bring a sturdy leash and collar with your dog's ID tags. A harness may also be helpful for walks and outdoor activities. Travel crate. If your dog is crate trained, consider bringing their crate for a sense of security and familiarity. Bed and blanket. Pack your dog's bed or a familiar blanket to provide a comfortable place to rest. Toys and treats. Bring a few of your dog's favorite toys and treats to keep them entertained and well-behaved. Medications and first aid supplies. Ensure you have any necessary medications and a basic first aid kit for your dog, including items like antiseptic wipes, bandages, and pain relievers. Pet-specific travel accessories. Consider packing additional items like a cooling vest for hot weather, a raincoat for rainy conditions, or a portable dog door. By packing these essentials, you'll be prepared to care for your dog throughout your trip, ensuring their well-being and happiness. Ensuring your dog's safety and health. Prioritizing your dog's safety and health is crucial for a successful vacation. Take these steps to ensure their well-being while traveling. Vaccinations and parasite prevention. Make sure your dog is up to date on vaccinations and parasite prevention medication. Consult your vet for recommendations and any necessary travel-related shots. First aid and emergency plan. Pack a basic first aid kit for your dog and know how to perform CPR. Have a plan in place for emergencies, including a list of local emergency vets. Identification and microchipping. Ensure your dog is wearing a collar with ID tags and is microchipped in case they get lost. Sun and weather protection. Protect your dog from the sun by providing shade, fresh water, and dog-friendly sunscreen if needed. Be mindful of extreme heat or cold and take precautions accordingly. Keeping your dog entertained on the go. Keeping your dog entertained during travel and vacation is essential to prevent boredom and destructive behavior. Here are some tips and tricks to keep your furry friend happy and engaged. Interactive toys. Pack interactive toys that dispense treats or move like a squirrel to keep your dog mentally stimulated. Chew toys and treats. Bring along a variety of chew toys and high-value treats for training and as rewards. Sniff and search games. Engage your dog's natural instincts by playing sniff and search games in new locations. Hide and seek is also a fun option. Dog parks and playdates. Possible, arrange playdates with other dogs or visit local dog parks for socialization and exercise. Hiking and biking. If your dog enjoys the outdoors, go hiking or biking with your furry friend. Just ensure the trails are dog-friendly and bring plenty of water. Training and behavior tips for a well-behaved pup. While on vacation, good manners are essential for a successful vacation. Review basic commands and consider enrolling in a training class to brush up on skills. Pack high-value treats for positive reinforcement and address any behavioral issues promptly. By investing time in training and addressing behavior concerns, you can ensure your dog's good manners and shine through on your next dog-friendly vacation. Traveling with multiple dogs, if you're lucky enough to have more than one dog. Traveling with multiple dogs can be an enjoyable experience. However, it does require extra planning and preparation. Here are some tips for traveling with 2 or more dogs. Plan ahead. Make reservations and arrangements for each dog in advance. Considering their individual needs and any special requirements. Separate resources. Ensure each dog has their own food, water bowls, leash, collar, and bed to avoid any jealousy or competition. Manage their energy levels. Plan activities and outings that accommodate the energy levels and physical abilities of all your dogs. Pack extra patience. Traveling with multiple dogs can be challenging, so pack extra patience and understanding for yourself and your furry companions. Yosemite National Park, California. Yosemite's stunning landscapes and pet-friendly hiking trails offer a memorable experience for adventurous dogs and their owners. The Great Smoky Mountains, North Carolina and Tennessee. Explore the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, which allows dogs on most roads and overlooks, providing breathtaking views and enjoyable hikes. Napa Valley, California. Napa Valley's scenic beauty and dog-friendly wineries make it a perfect destination for a relaxing vacation with your canine companion. By following these tips and being prepared, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey for both you and your multiple dogs. Traveling with a senior dog requires extra care and consideration for their specific needs. Here are some tips to keep in mind when planning a trip with an older dog. Choose age-appropriate activities. Opt for low-stress activities and accommodations suitable for a senior dog's slower pace. Pack mobility aids. If your dog has mobility issues, consider bringing a ramp or stairs to help them navigate lodging or outdoor spaces. Plan for potty breaks. Plan frequent potty breaks and choose accommodations with easy access to outdoor areas. Bring comfort items. Pack familiar blankets, beds, or toys to help your senior dog feel comfortable and secure in new surroundings. Consider pet sitters or boarding. For longer trips, you might want to consider hiring a pet sitter or using a reputable boarding facility. By keeping these tips in mind, you can ensure your senior dog's well-being and create lasting memories on your next vacation together. Traveling with a large dog can present unique challenges, but with proper planning and preparation, you can ensure a successful trip. Here are some tips specifically for owners of big dogs. Choose dog-friendly transportation. If driving, ensure your vehicle can comfortably accommodate your dog's size. Consider the use of a dog-specific car seat or harness for safety. Book spacious accommodations. Look for accommodations with enough space for a large dog to move around comfortably. Read pet policies carefully to avoid surprises. Plan for exercise. Large dogs need exercise. Plan daily walks or playtime to keep your furry friend happy and well-adjusted during your trip. Be mindful of the heat. Big dogs can overheat quickly. Take precautions like avoiding strenuous activity during the hottest parts of the day and providing plenty of water. With these tips in mind, you can look forward to a fantastic vacation with your large dog by your side. And there you have it, folks. We've covered everything from choosing the perfect destination to ensuring your pup's safety, keeping them entertained, managing multiple dogs, accommodating a senior or large dog. I think we have left here the necessary information for a smooth trip. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and happy travels with your furry friends.